Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix USB Type-C earphones not detected on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now before we actually begin, just make sure to verify compatibility. Make sure you're using Samsung certified USB-C earphones, and if it has worked before, fine, let's proceed to the next steps. And what I want you to do is just open up your settings, scroll down until you see apps, click on it, and then, once it fully loads up, you can come here, search for USB. So find Samsung USB-C headset, click on it, and then what I want you to go ahead and do is force stop it. Click here on OK, and then open your USB settings. Now, what I want you to do here is click on storage, and then I want you to clear cache, clear the data, and let's proceed further. And then now I want you to go all the way down, click on developer options, make sure this one is toggled on, and then let's go ahead and search for this option right here, USB routing. So disable USB audio routing, click on it, and you should reach right here. So it's usually under media, and make sure this one is toggled off, and this should fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.